Okay, welcome to part 5. Let's go ahead and add in the strings. So a guitar has 6 strings to it, so we're going to go ahead and use the circle tool. And we're going to select a surface. I'm going to use this surface here and just use the edge of it. I'm going to draw out 6 circles of 0.05. So I'm going to draw one, and then I'm going to use the copy tool to copy that over a few times. I'm going to use this as my reference edge and just kind of go along. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and you can adjust them how you see fit. I don't know how that line got there. And after you've done that, let's go ahead and copy this to 2 different parts of the guitar. So I'm going to copy all 6 of these. Enter. I'm going to use this edge here as my reference edge, and I'm going to bring these over to the top of this part. There, let's say. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, that looks okay. And then I'm going to kind of move it down here as well. So let's do the copy command one more time. Enter. And I'm going to use that reference corner and then over here at the center. Okay, so we have those in place. Let's go ahead and move them all. So I'm going to use the move command to select those, as well as these. Enter. And I'm just going to use this line to move them across to roughly the center. Okay, so that looks good. That looks good. I'm going to raise that just a hair. Use the move command, enter. And I'm going to use a line I can go up from. So that line, I'm going to go up vertically just a little bit, like that. Okay. Over here, I'm going to kind of do the same thing. I got to move those over. Enter. And I'm going to move them to the center first. And then enter. Select them again. Enter. And move them above. Like that. Perfect. Okay. We can now go ahead and add it over here to the tuner. So we're going to move each of these circles over. It's pretty quick to do. We'll use the copy command and select one of it, enter, and I'm just going to click on the center of the circle, and then I'm going to kind of just click in the center of each of these. Put it in place. Okay, just like that. After you've done that, let's go ahead and move these downward. So I'm going to use the move command to enter. Select these 6. And we'll need something flat, enter. Let's use this part. Just move it inward so that it's inside the frets, just like that. Perfect. And then we're going to combine it using the line tool. So line, enter. And we're just going to go from the center of one over to the center of the other one, like that. And I'm going to press escape, enter, and I'm going to repeat that for each string. So escape, enter to reactivate the line tool, and then grab the next one. escape, enter, escape, enter. Just like that. I'm going to press escape twice. We're going to continue now with the string, and we're going to string up the rest of it. And we're going to just go ahead and use the line tool again. So we're going to connect it from there, go all the way down here to this point here, and then over to that point there. Press escape, press enter. We'll just go in reverse now. That, escape, enter. Next one. There's a lot of back and forth. Oops. Let me try that again. Line, enter. That one's giving me some issues, so I'll start over here. Escape, enter, go. Escape, enter, and last one. Like that. Okay, a couple escapes. So we have all our strings in place and we're ready to extrude. Extruding is straightforward. We're just going to use the extrude command, ext, enter. We're going to select a portion and then we're going to press enter. We're going to select a path, so press P, enter, and you're going to click a line. If you did it correctly, then it should automatically create that. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and press enter to activate extrude, the circle, enter, and then P for path, press enter, and then select the line, and it should generate the string. So go ahead and do that for each of them. Okay, just like that. And we're going to do the same with this path as well. So there's just a lot of repeats here, but I'm going to go ahead and press the circle. Let's go this way. Circle over here, enter, and then P, enter, pathway, enter. This, enter, P, enter, pathway, enter. Okay, and the last one will be these 6 over here. Enter, P, enter, click, enter. Okay, press escape a few times, and if you did it correctly, you should have 6 strings on your guitar, and the rest of the guitar all designed and all fleshed out. We can go ahead and delete this part. We won't need it anymore. And there you go. One ready to go, fully completed guitar. And feel free to change it from 2D wireframe mode over to shaded mode if you do want to see the finished result. Okay, so that's going to go ahead and conclude this video series for making a guitar. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you all later. Peace.